Hey guys, Bernard here from Leitner Designs. Wanted to show you the load bar kit for the Ineos Grenadier and why you would prefer this over either our 3/4 platform or our full-length platform for the Ineos Grenadier. So the load bars you can get in sets of 2. Currently we're showing 4, but you can buy up to 4. And these are specifically engineered to hold a rooftop tent as low as possible on the roof. So this is only going to raise the rooftop tent up 2 inches. It's also going to allow you to use our rooftop tent brackets, and the rooftop tent brackets make it super easy to mount any rooftop tent that's out there. We have 3 different versions. We have a universal, which works with most racks. You can check that out on our website, or rooftop tents. So you can check that out, which tents are included there. We make one specific for the iCamper, and we also make one specific for the James Baroud. So depending on what tent you buy, you're going to want to buy the correct rooftop tent mounting bracket from us. So the load bars are 2 inches in diameter, and as you can see, it sits right above the roof. And if you come over here, you'll see our rooftop tent brackets, and it comes in a set of 4. And there's 2 bolts that go in from the side into our load bars and 1 that goes into the rooftop tent itself. And these bolts are all accessible, so you can get in there with a ratchet and tighten them all down. So it's going to make it super easy. If you're more concerned with carrying gear up there, then obviously the better choice is our roof rack, either the full length or 3/4, which lets you mount basically any kind of roof boxes, especially our Gear Pod's roof, which is side opening. But this is specifically engineered for tents. You can also mount any Yakima, Thule, or Rhino rack accessory because our T-slot is the same. So if you have a bike mount or something that would fit up there, that will also work perfect. So really the difference between the 2 systems are this is engineered to quickly and easily attach a rooftop tent and remove it quickly, where the roof rack is specifically engineered to carry gear. So hopefully that helps, and now you know which one you want to buy. Thank you.